Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making some Valentine home decor that I feel like you can use this all year round. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and now let's craft. Starting with my first project, I will be using this piece of wood that I got from Dollar Tree. As of right now, they're still $1.25. Now I decided to just reuse one that I had from previous years. It does have the word winter, but you're not going to be able to see it once I add this piece of fabric, which I got from Hobby Lobby. It was $6.99 a yard, but it was on sale for 30% off, so I got it for $4.89. So now I'm going to cut a piece that is big enough to cover the winter sign. I would have made it smaller if the winter sign wasn't there, but it's alright. I'm still turned out beautiful. Once I'm done cutting this piece, I am going to glue it around, but as you can see, I'm going to like glue it on the fold it and glue it like the inside part, so you can see like if it's glued from the inside. Hopefully it made sense. But for that, I did have to mark it down to where I'm going to add the glue so I can fold the fabric and it's gonna be all nice and straight. So to finish this off, I am going to decorate it a little more by adding this heart to the corner and adding a bow where the hole is at. I'm also going to add some jute twine for the hanger part, and then I'm going to add some greenery to the pocket. Honestly, I feel like you can use this all year round. If it wasn't for the heart in the corner, I feel like it doesn't really scream Valentine, but it does still get covered a little bit with the greenery. So to be honest, I feel like you can use this all year round. For my next project, all I needed was a heart, and this is the only one I had. Now, not only am I going to use the heart, but I am going to use the fabric and a piece of wood to make it a stand, and a dowel for like to stand up the heart. Hopefully it makes sense. So anyways, this is what I'm using. I first thought of using a round dowel, but then I do end up switching it to a square dowel. The first thing I will be doing is painting the dowel and the piece of wood that I'm going to use as a stand using the Waverly Antique Wax. So I do find it hard when I try to glue something to where I have painted it with antique wax. So I did try to remove some of that paint in the middle where I am going to add the dowel. I'm going to set this to the side and let it dry. Meanwhile, I'm going to use the fabric that I got from Hobby Lobby and trace the heart twice. So after I'm done tracing these, I am going to cut them out, but I'm not going to cut it where the line is. I'm going to go more, maybe an inch or half an inch around it. For this next step, there's several different ways that you can glue these together. I will be using only hot glue, but you can use fabric glue, or if you have a sewing machine, you can just sew this around it using the guideline of the pen, which that is where we traced the heart. But for me, that is where I'm going to add the glue. I'm going to start by just gluing this together. So I forgot to mention that you do not want to glue this part right here. You want to leave that little space, and you want to leave a space on the side at the top of the heart or wherever you want. This is just so you can add some filler to this. Now the filler I'm using is from an old pillow that I got. Well, not old, but I did buy a couple of years ago from Walmart. And I still have some left over, and that is what I'm going to use so I can stuff the heart. But before I do that, I am going to turn it the other way around. Once I am done stuffing the heart, I am going to glue one of the sides, leaving the bottom one open still because that is where I'm going to add the dowel. I did add a little bit of hot glue so it can stay in place and it doesn't move around. I'm going to secure the end by adding hot glue. Then I added some jute twine around with the bow. This is also going to secure it some more. To finish this off, I will be adding the dowel to the little stand using hot glue. And that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out. For my next project, I'm using this heart that I got from Hobby Lobby. Now it was $3.99, but it was on sale for 40% off, so I got it for a lot cheaper. Honestly, I can't do the math right now. But anyways, I didn't paint this. I left it as is. I just removed the tag. And then I will be adding these Dollar Tree roses that I got last year. I'm going to add 4 in total right here. Now to decorate this some more, I decided to use some of the fabric. I'm going to just cut it to size and add it at the top and a little bit at the bottom. Now to glue the fabric, I will be adding Mod Podge instead of hot glue because hot glue leaves it bumpy and my Elmer's glue stick isn't strong enough for this. Now I burned all the edges. The last thing I did was added this little love sign that I got from Hobby Lobby from a pack that was $2.99, but it was also on sale for 40% off. But honestly, you can add anything to this blank space. And that is it for today. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye.